has gone away, yet you carry on, pretending day by day. I don't expose the truth, not for your charade, but a gathering of disappointment before I fade. I'll walk away with my head held high, no longer bound by your web of lies. For in the end, the truth will prevail, and I'll find solace in my own tale. Behind your mask, your love's a charade, but I see through the games you've played. No longer blinded by your deceitful lies, I'll break free from your disguise. Your empty promises